is probably the simplest punctuation mark to use. The period is just like a knife because you can cut the sentence to the required length. It is placed at the end of declarative sentences as statements thought to be complete, and after many abbreviations. If a sentence ends with an abbreviation, the period used for the abbreviation also serves as the period for the sentence. This is true even if the abbreviation is contained within a quotation. An example of the use of the period is Rome is the capital of Italy. Some rules for the period are: use a period after a complete sentence, use a period after a command, use a period after most abbreviations, don't use a period after the individual letters in an acronym, use a period after an initial, use a period after each Roman numeral letter or number in an outline, and always place a period inside a quotation mark that ends a sentence.
The comma. The main function of the comma is to separate things from each other. Some uses of the comma are to separate elements which are listed or in series. It also can be used to separate two sentences which are connected by coordinators. A comma can be used to separate elements which are introduced before the main sentence. Finally, a comma can be used to separate elements which interrupt or which add extra information to the main sentence.
Every day we make many questions, but have you ever asked what is a little thing that I will use at the end of this question? It's a question mark. This is used at the end of a direct question. Otherwise, direct questions take a period, but that's not our topic. Okay? So the question mark is a punctuation mark that indicates an interrupted clause or phrase in many languages, and is used at the end of the question. In addition, it is considered bad form to use a question mark in combination with other marks, although that is often done in informal prose in an attempt to convey complex terms.